Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Rainbow Common Exception Words video, week 10. We're soon getting through these words. Let's see what we've got this week. Our first word this week is experience. Experience, can you find it? Experience, there it is. So there we are, experience. It's important in life to have lots of experiences. We do lots of things. Can you see any words within words here? I can't see any words, but we can use our phonics a little bit. X is a lot in front of a lot of our words this week. EX, peer, P-E-R, ENS, experience. Our next word is experiment. Experiment. Where's that word on our mat? Well done. Experiment. We can use the EX at the front to help us remember it. Okay, we do lots of experiments in science, finding things out. We can see ment on the end, which is quite an easy bit to remember. Our next word is extreme. Extreme. Can you go to extremes to find things out? There it is. Wow, this motorcyclist is going to extremes here by riding his bike on the waves. Extreme. Again, it's that EX. Treem. You almost want to put EA, but it's EME on the end. Our final word this week is famous. Famous. There it is in green. Well done. Famous. We know lots of famous people in our lives. There's no words within words here, but we can use our sounds a little. Famous. It looks a bit like famous, doesn't it? Famous. Okay, can you spot the correct spelling? Don't forget you can pause the video to have a good look at the words. Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Experience. Experience. Well done if you said number 2. Experience. Experiment. Experiment. We do lots of experiments in science. Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Great job if you said 3. Fantastic. Here we go with number 3. Extreme. What do you think? What can you hear? It looks like EA, but it isn't. Well done if you said number 1. Extreme. And our last word is famous. Famous. Which is the correct spelling? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Write it down. I bet you get there quicker than me. Well done, it's number 4. We are getting so good at spellings. Keep it up and make sure you keep practicing to get full marks on your spelling test next week. See you next time.